In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade IC markets on Tradingview. Before we start, there's one crucial requirement. Trading through IC markets on Tradingview works only with a C-Trader account, ideally the raw spread type, and that account must be linked to Tradingview. If you're using MT4 or MT5, the Tradingview integration won't be available. With that clear, let's get everything ready. You'll need two accounts, an IC Markets trading account, preferably the C-Trader raw spread option, and a Tradingview account. Sign into both so you can connect them easily. If you're new or testing, remember that demo and live C-Trader accounts connect the same way, which makes demo a safe place to practice first. Now connect IC Markets to Tradingview. Open Tradingview and load any chart. At the bottom of the screen, open the trading panel. This is where the supported brokers are listed. Find IC Markets in the list and click Connect. When prompted, enter your IC Markets C-Trader login details securely, just as you would on the broker's portal, and never share those credentials with anyone. Once connected, you'll see your live or demo account displayed in the panel with its status. From this point on, you can place and manage orders directly from the chart. Let's place a trade. On the chart, right-click and choose Trade, then Create New Order. A ticket opens where you set your position size in lots, define your stop loss and take profit, and choose whether to buy or sell. Many traders align lot size with a fixed percentage risk per trade, so take a moment to check that yours fits your plan. Place your stop beyond a meaningful technical level and set Take Profit where the reward justifies the risk. When everything looks right, click Buy or Sell to submit. You'll see order lines on the chart and full position details in the trading panel. Managing trades on Tradingview is straightforward. You can drag the stop loss and take profit lines directly on the chart to fine-tune levels, and you can close a position with a single click from either the chart or the panel. Watch your open positions, P&L, and order history in the panel. All updates sync to your IC Markets account in real time, so what you see in Tradingview matches your broker status. With this setup, you can trade a wide range of markets offered by IC Markets via Tradingview, including Forex pairs, major indices, commodities, and crypto CFDs, all executed right from the charts you're analyzing. Trade responsibly, double-check your order settings, and you're ready to go.